We will need some square sheets of paper. We'll start off by folding this paper into half and then into a quarter. Let's open it up. I'm going to fold it this way to form a triangle. The next step is fold this to form a smaller triangle and do the same on the other side. Let's fold this also to form a triangle. Turn the paper over, place it this way. Make this corner meet this point. Pull the triangle out. Do the same on the other side. Don't forget to pull the triangle out. Now, pick this sheet of paper here, and I'm going to make this point touch this point. What are we going to do? We're going to pick this point and make it touch this point, like these 2 points of this triangle. And open this paper up. Fold it, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to pick this corner and put it over here. Now I'm going to fold it through this line into half. Flip it and open this up. It's going to look like this, and I'm going to flip this over. And I'm going to fold this sheet in such a way that I'm going to get a square on this side. Like this is going to go here. This side of the paper is going to go here. So make these 2 corners meet. Hold them down. Similarly, I'm going to make this line or this side go here. Hold the corners. Open it up. Now, hold these 2 tips and fold it inwards. And once you do so, you get something like this. Hold it and fold this onto either of the sides. Turn it over and again fold it through this line. There's this line here, there's a crease that is visible. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. Let's fold it through that. It's going to look something like this. And now I'm going to fold across this line. You're going to take this point and place it here and press it down and make a crease. Turn it over. You're going to do the same thing on this side. Take this point and place it here and make a crease. Turn it over. Pick this corner and fold it inwards to touch at any point on this folding. Open it up. And you can make another folding pretty close to this. This is going to make the nose of our little puppy. So fold it like this. And place a finger here, open it up. And we're going to do this. There's an outer folding here. So that's going to be folded inside. And the lower folding is going to be folded outside. So it's going to be something like this. Fold this triangle again, open it up and just fold it outwards this time. And you can fold this backwards, this part of the head. And you can even curl the ears of our little puppy. And let's move on to the tail. I'm going to take this point and place it over here and make a crease. Keep this as a common point and fold the paper a little away from here. I'm opening it up and I'm folding the outer crease inwards and the inner crease outward. And this is how it's going to look. This goes in and this comes out. And there we go. We're done with our origami puppy. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more art and craft content. Don't forget to keep experimenting and being crazy.